Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Let's talk today. You know what? This is not going to be just my channel, it's going to be our channel. This is day one. This is my first video upload ever. And guess what? I don't yet know what this channel is going to be all about because I have been wanting to start a YouTube channel that offers value, that offers updates, that has different kinds of discussions for a while. And the more I thought about it, the more I realized I just couldn't narrow down to any particular niche. And my end goal in starting this channel is to become monetized because who doesn't want to be monetized, right? But in the process of becoming monetized, I do want to offer value and or entertainment as we go along. So I'm saying all that to say that I have no idea what this channel is going to be about yet. But you guys, my loyal audience, which is zero at this time, are gonna help me discover what this channel is going to be about. My job today was to just get started. So, less than 2 hours ago, I went into Google, I created an account, I created a YouTube channel. I then tried to decide on a name for my YouTube channel. I gave it the name Let's Talk Today. And then from there, I had to try and create a logo of some sort. And after the logo, I created a banner of some sort. So we're making progress here, aren't we? It looks like I am making progress. Now, what we're going to be discussing, I have several ideas. I have done a lot of watching and a lot of observing other channels and seeing what are the top niches in YouTube that one could both enjoy and monetize. Okay, and there's so many different subject matters and topic areas out there, and I just couldn't decide. So I'm thinking, what am I an expert on? What can I discuss that I would also enjoy that could or could not be generic? I know a lot about healthcare. I enjoy gossip news. Ooh, who doesn't, right? Well, some people don't, but I do. Um, it's nice to once in a while see what's going on out there. I can discuss how to things. I am learning more about technology. I'm learning more about the use of artificial intelligence. This is knowledge I can also share with you guys. I am learning more about how to manage a YouTube channel and social media marketing because, guys, this is almost like the new gold rush, right? Social media and content creation. So I decided, why don't I jump on that bandwagon with everybody else? All right. So you guys, though, are gonna have to forgive me in some instances because this will be a faceless channel for now because I don't feel like getting dressed and putting on makeup and a wig every time I want to come and chat with my peoples. And I don't want to be judged either. Ain't nobody got time for that. I just want to pop on anytime I feel like I have something to share without worrying about my presentation or what I look like when my hair is done because it's the wild, wild west out here. People are cruel online, and I'm just too busy to deal with all that negative energy. All right, I am here to share, to be hopefully useful in some instances. Um, Another idea I'm thinking for this channel will be sharing the process of starting a YouTube channel and sharing the process of growing my YouTube channel and sharing the process of getting to the point where I monetize. I am not a YouTube expert. I barely know anything about editing. I do not know much about um, how audio works or what camera angles. So these are things that we're going to be learning on the go. And I hope to be able to share with you guys what I'm doing along the way. Um, what, if any, apps I'm using. I want to start very raw though. Um, why I want to start very raw is because I don't want to lose the motivation. And by having this perfectionist paralysis where I feel like I have to know everything before I get started, that everything has to be perfect, that my audio, right now, I'm not using a fancy microphone. I'm literally using a standard headset with a little bit of noise, background noise reduction. This video I'm doing here, my first video, woohoo, is gonna be loaded, uploaded without any editing. And I think I want to do that for most of my videos. Um, I may have bloopers along the way, and I'll just correct myself as I go along. I will pretend I'm talking to a friend, and this is live. Because the less editing I have to do, the more videos I can upload on this channel to make it grow. So I will be limiting my editing. I will, however, try to add some visuals so you're not bored just listening to my voice. At least have something to look at because it is YouTube, right? It's about looking, it's about video. So I will do that. Um, there's a lot coming, guys. So, you know, right now I feel like I'm talking to myself, but eventually I will have some followers. No, this is not Facebook, this is YouTube. I will have some subscribers. And I appreciate anybody who YouTube shares this with. There's something called an algorithm, and YouTube decides, depending on how much I post and what my keywords are, my tags, and how much value I offer. YouTube will be showing this video to people. So if you are one of these people, thank you for listening up until this point. And I also thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, and maybe commenting below. I would love to hear your tips and tricks, especially from those of you who are experienced YouTubers. I'd really appreciate that. I would also appreciate you guys as I post more videos about different things. I want to be able to identify what my audience is interested in so I can later focus on that particular subject matter and thereby discovering my niche. Okay? Peace, guys. I will talk to you in my next video.